Hello mga kavilang! Andito po kami ngayon sa Wendy's. Ayan po, para po siyang Jollibee or McDonald's sa Pinas. Ayan po. Pero syempre, American style. So meron sila nitong chili. Ayan. Of course, hindi nawawala yung burger at saka fries. Hindi pa ako kumuha ng fries kasi gusto kong itry yung chili nila. Pero si David, ayan, fries yung gusto niya. So, try natin mga kavilang kung masarap ba itong burger nila. It's it mga kavilang. Ayan, tinanggal ko po yung original background music mga kavilang kasi natatakot ako baka sipain ako ni Lolo. Alam niyo naman po yung Lolo natin, napaka-stricto. Ayan po. Yan po yung burger nila mga kavilang. Ayan po. Double patty po yan kay David. Ayan. Yung sa akin naman, hindi one patty lang po, pero parang napaka-dry ng burger nila. Ayan mga kavilang, tignan natin kung masarap. Let's eat po! Ayan mga kavilang, bago po kami umuwi, ayan, nagre-refill si David ng drink. So, free naman. So, why not, diba? Uwi na kami mga kavilang. Ayan po. Masarap naman yung burger nila mga kavilang, pero wag po kayong maingay ha. Parang gusto ko pa yung Jollibee burger, yung simpleng burger lang ng Jollibee, pero napaka-juicy ng ano nila, patty. Di ba mga kavilang? Wag po kayong maingay mga kavilang ha.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, we just... Now you're making me laugh.
Okay, sige na. What's wrong of laughing, talking? Now you're so serious.
Hey guys, we just finished eating at Wendy's and now we're getting ready to go to a car show. Car show's inside and it benefits charity, so that's good. So let's go.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna.
Okay guys, we're here. Let's go up and get in line.
Ayan guys, kukuha kami ng ticket and it cost $14.
They told me that they were wanting to look at something.
Thank you.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that I could leave.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Oh, you're wasting my time. All these crazy fears that ends with bloody tears. Oh baby, we keep prepping long nights. Rock your body whole life. Don't bother the world side. Twerk it like a Vegas stripper, dollar money stage mine. Billions in the cage fight. Fuck their thoughts and get high, and get high. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine. Living on the edge, sometimes alright. Fame is how we ride. Life is all about time. Feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine. Alright. It's alright. It's how we ride. Feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind. The mind. The mind. The mind, yeah. Tired of being sober, never getting older. I got all the time, would you pour some wine for me? Smile for me, and not grind on me, yeah. We keep prepping long nights, rock your body whole life. Don't bother the world side, twerk it like a Vegas stripper, dollar money stage mine. Billions in the cage fight. Fuck their thoughts and get high, and get high. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine. Living on the edge, sometimes alright. Fame is how we ride. Life is all about time. Feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine. Alright. It's alright. It's how we ride. Feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's your mind, your thoughts, your life. So don't you bother the worst knife. We're all the same. You don't have to explain, no. Just stay in your lane. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine. Living on the edge, sometimes alright. Fame is how we ride. Life is all about time. Feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine. Oh, it's how we ride. It's how we ride. It's all about time. Yeah, it's all about the mind.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you.